Hello, it's Miss Hake back for some numeracy. We are going to keep it all fun and exciting this week in a boxer bag. It's really cool. You can put some objects and you're going to tell the learners that they're going to go on a long hunt. So whatever they pull out of the box, they're going to bring back something longer. So just put some random things in there. So, here I go. I pulled out a marker out of the box. So you're going to give it to them and you're going to say, bring me back something longer. And then they'll bring it back and everything will go back in the box. So you're going to have lots and lots of stuff and they'll keep pulling and keep playing. It's a really fun way for them to go kinesthetically, search, compare, order, and have lots of fun learning about longer and shorter. You could also do this on the flip side and put longer things in the box and say, I want you to find something shorter. So much fun. Have a fun time, and if weather permits, go outside and do this in the forest or an area because they can find nature that's longer and shorter too. This can be a game that you can play again and again and again. It's super fun and have lots of fun. And another extension is that they can create their own longer, shorter boxes or bags. Go grab the lunch bags, the paper bags. They can write their name on it, and then they can play this in a group or with a friend. So they can collect items and have their friend pull it out and say, go find longer, or go find shorter. Super fun. All right. Have a good time with this lesson. Love it. Bye. See you soon.